So, okay, I guess we don't have any questions. So I think,
We will start
sir,
validation.
sure, sir, sure, sir. Do let me
Yeah.
know when we can start. Finish.
Uh, Good morning, dear participants. Welcome back to the valedictory session of our 1 week short-term technical training program on startup-driven bio-innovation and IoT for sustained agri-tech from 20th September to 25th September. So today we have our chief guest, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, and our guest of honor, Mr. Praveen Kulkarni with us. So now I may request the convener, Dr. B.K. Manjunath, to give an overview of the FDD, STTP.
Very good afternoon to one and all. And we started our session with the intention of updating our faculty knowledge in respect to startup-driven bioinnovation and IoT-based agriculture. Our motto was to introduce our faculty members to the various technologies that is available in front of us or around us, so that we can inculcate the culture of innovation, specifically bioinnovations, and how we can make our students or other faculty to find their career in IoTs with special reference to advancing agriculture sector. So with that motto, we started our program, and we thank our parent institute, AICTE, for providing financial assistance. And we also thanks our knowledge partners, Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, VTPC, and of course VTU Innovation Center. And special thanks to Dr. Kulkarni sir, who stood behind us in setting up the right resource persons throughout the session. And we started our program on 20th September, and we had Dr. Manpreet Singh Manna, a former AICTE director, and a person who Saravanan Raj from Manage, who helped us in understanding how manage a company and government organization is bringing or connecting IoT with a special reference to agri startups. So he was kind enough to address us what are the various schemes that are available with the Manage, so that our students can opt at free of cost, or they can go to there and they can find some internship program in that. And he was open. So we got a good knowledge from Saravanan Raj, which will help us in guiding our students for a right project. And we had Manpreet Singh Manna session. Of course, he's very prominent personality in AICTE as well as in IoT. And he introduced us how we can take IoT solutions to implement in the field of agriculture. He was kind enough to explain various problems and what are the courses that we are supposed to take up and how we have to take up the innovation to the farmers. And next we had another resource person who was Nandini Madam. See, another major concern for us is, in case if we can find up some kind of startups based on geographical indicators, it will be of nice contribution to the society, because geographical indications are getting more and more prominence nowadays. And in case if you can turn up any exclusive shop, GI, where GI products are available, especially with respect to the agriculture products, it will be of great help for our GI producers. So with that concept, we approached Nandini Madam. She was kind enough to introduce us to the various GI crops that are available in and around us, using which we can take up the startups. So this helps us to go back to our institute and train our students to or pursue our students to open their startup or to put some more innovation into the GI product, so that that becomes more marketable that becomes more saleable. So that was the intention. I think that intention was successful with us. Then another important sector where startups are blooming is herbal sector or natural product sector. So this is highlighted by Hemlata Madam, Dr. Hemlata Madam, who helped us in understanding what are the different herbal products that we can take up and which has got market potential. Because when we think about final year projects, so sometimes we feel what to give, what kind of domains we should give. So this talk, I hope, helped our faculty members in understanding what are the various opportunities available with respect to herbal products, and especially supplementing the probiotics into the herbal products. This is one sector where our faculty members can think and can give it the students as their final year project. It will help them in finalizing product. Then we thought when we think of bio innovation, so of course the only things that comes in front of our mind is the nature. Of course, without nature, I don't think we can innovate anything. So we approached Dr. Vaman Rao for highlighting us how nature will inspire engineering marvels. So in case if we know that how our scientists got inspiration by observing the nature, so it will help us in understanding more and more nature. So with that intention, Vaman Rao was successful in explaining us how various products or various technologies were developed for the societal benefit using biomimics. Then, of course, when it comes to the entrepreneurship, immediate option for biotechnology students is the plant tissue culture, because this is one, it is not that easiest, but it is one good option for most of the biotechnology students to find their startup. So Kaveshri Madam was kind enough to explain how they developed various varieties of horticultural and agriculturally important crops using plant tissue culture, and what are the avenues to find plant tissue culture as a startup driven issue. Then we had Hydroblooms, a person from Hydroblooms, and he was Sunil Jose. He was kind enough to explain us how we can put our effort in making soil-less agriculture. So he explained us what makes it, how we can go about innovating it, and how we can automate the implements that are used in soil-less agriculture. Of course, next we had Gaurav Narang, Director of Vertical Farming. Another important area where we can involve ourselves is the vertical gardening. Vertical farming is one such domain which needs a lot of inputs from the students' fraternity, because biotechnology students, as Dinesh sir was mentioning, in case if you equip yourself with some basic data mining or data analytics, or some robotics, or some basics of machine learning, you people can do wonder in fine-tuning the innovations made by the non-biotechnologists. Your input is very much required in making the vertical farming or hydroponics, in converting it into a completely automotive and completely productive units. So then we had biomedical innovations, Dr. Nair, who was senior practitioner and present director of innovation at CCAM. So he explained us how we can put our effort in modifying or innovating biomedical devices. Then it becomes mandatory for all teaching fraternity to understand what is government intention is. Especially when it comes to education, we have to understand national education policy, because this is mandatory for all faculty members, because you are the persons who are going to implement it. So we had Dr. H.S. Ravikumar Patil, who explained us the basics of NEP. Then we had skills and attitude, because developing skills and maintaining that attitude is very, very important for us. So this was, I think, this information has mainly contributed to all our participants in developing a kind of skills and attitude, especially with respect to bio-innovation and bio-based startups. Then another idea for us is we wanted to introduce our faculty members to the various technologies that is getting developed in and around our country. So we approached Kumarappa National Handmade Paper Institute. So the madam was kind enough, Sakshi madam was kind enough to take a session exclusively on what product they are developing. And it was very nice session, and indeed she explained us how a bio paint can be produced using cow dung. Cow dung, it constitutes 30%, and rest of the things are organic material. Using that, competent paint, bio paint, was developed, and recently our honorable MSME Ministry Nitin Gadkari sir launched this bio paint, Prakriti paint, and it is open for leasing. Any faculty or any students who wants to find their career in marketing or manufacturing this bio paint can approach Dr. Sakshi Agarwal. And the cost of that technology is also very, very cheap. It costs you around 50 or 55,000 rupees, if I am not wrong. While discussing with her, I inquired about the leasing or licensing fee, and she was telling it is just a 55,000 rupees. In that, the students or the investor or the startup will get some kind of subsidy also. And they have a training session of that is for 1 week training session, technology training session, that you can enroll by paying 5,000 rupees, and 1 week accommodation with and other food and other necessary requirement. So that will help you in understanding the technology, and if you license it, so you can be a producer of that Prakriti paint, and you can be a startup under that scheme. So you can go back to your institute and you can motivate some of the students who are from agriculture background so that they can use the cow dung for the manufacturing of this Prakriti paint. So then we had, of course, today's 2 sessions. We are thankful for Kulkarni sir and Dinesh sir for introducing us to various technologies. And of course, when it comes to incubation, sir was kind enough to explain how a perfect process of startup can lead us to a successful starters. And of course, Dinesh sir, just now we heard about it, and we thank all the resource persons who took their valuable time in sparing and in gracing the occasion and in sharing their knowledge with all our participants. So with this overview, I thank all the participants and all the resource persons, of course, AICTE, VTU, and all our knowledge partners, along with our management for their continuous effort, and our principal for the valuable guidance. And this is about what we traveled from the day 20th to 25th. I hope this session helped you people in understanding some inputs towards startup driven bio innovation and IoT driven agriculture agri-tech. Thank you for the opportunity given.
Thank you, sir, for giving an elaborate overview of the 1 week STTP. Now I may request Mr. Dinesh Kumar sir to speak few words to the gathering.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I mean, I must say this is a great opportunity for us to. I must thanks to Oxford College for 2 things. One is giving us this opportunity, and because of this opportunity, it gives me a time to go back to my studies and find out. I also from last 2 to 3 days I spoken to many startup community and understand where exactly how we are exactly doing in the agri-tech part of it, where I was not in a touch from last almost 2 years. So it basically recharge. I got an opportunity to recharge myself in these areas where I'm passionate on this. So thank you, and I'm looking forward, student, to learn many more things. Student, I must say you, I have already explained. So I must tell, please start learning at least the linear regression and analytics part, which sir is saying. First, you should learn that analytics part. Then we'll definitely work on the foundation programs to see how you will learn this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now it's a time for feedback. So I may request the participants to give some feedback on our STTP.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
I was one of the participant. I'm Dr.
Ma'am, can
Sumana
you
from
please
College
switch
of
on your
Horticulture.
video? Can you please switch on
Hello.
your... Yes, ma'am. Can you please switch on your video?
Okay, ma'am. I'm trying. I'm audible, no?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible, ma'am.
Yeah. There is some problem with the video. I'll just switch on a few minutes. The session was very good, madam. It was very informative, and we can pass on this message to our students to start the startup with the kind help of all the resource persons. And it was very good. And we expect some more of this kind of training programs for academicians and assistant professors like us in all the agriculture universities and also the traditional universities, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for this valuable feedback. Surely we will be looking forward in conducting 2 more STPs. We are conducting, ma'am, and we're looking forward for
Okay,
your
ma'am.
kind
Do please
cooperation.
inform us, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are also looking
Okay.
forward for your kind
Yes, ma'am.
participation.
We are very much interested.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Participants, any other feedback?
Hello, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Ma'am, this is Professor Ganesh here from Department of Biotechnology, GM Institute of Technology, Davangere. I already attended phase 1 of the CIT sponsored 1-week short-term training program on startup-driven bioinnovation. I was really looking forward for the phase 2 sessions also. Really, even this time, you have reached the expectations. Really very informative sessions. Especially the one where you have given information on startups using cow dung and the floor, rooftop farming is really good. A lot of information I believe every participant has got from this particular STTP. As informed earlier, you are going to conduct another 2 phases of this particular STTP program. We are really looking forward to it. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful program. We are looking forward for more such events from Oxford College of Engineering. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for such a positive feedback, we are looking forward for your participation also, sir, and your cooperation in organizing whatever the events we are organizing further. Any other participants, please?
Yeah, very good morning. Thanks to all the organizers. It was a very pleasant and very good session. Okay, knowledgeable also, and it has contributed a lot. So thank you one and all, and heartily congratulate the team because it was a very good effort and very nicely brought up. Like, and all the best for the next step.
Thank you, Rajashri ma'am, and we expect other events also.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Dr. Manjunath, I'm very much thankful to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, dear participants. Hope our effort has given some kind of knowledge transfer in the minds of people. and hope you people will go back to your institute and motivate the students towards startup, and try to ask your students to learn more and more IoT based basic concept as Dinesh sir was mentioning, and NASCOM is there for helping us. So it is the time for us to come out of our shell and expand our knowledge or expand our training in look forward for some multidisciplinary or interdisciplinary knowledge gaining, so that you can collaborate with more and more interdisciplinary subject, and you can definitely you can come out with fruitful products. Hope this kind of sessions will motivate, and our effort has reached you people in updating your knowledge. Thank you very much for your active participation. And of course, a special thanks to Dinesh sir, who was kind enough to grace this occasion. And of course, Kulkarni sir, though because of his busy schedule, he was unable to attend the validatory session, but continuously he was in support and helping us. Now, on behalf of Oxford College of Engineering and on behalf of organizing committee, I request Dr. Valamati to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Every time we remember to say thank you, we experience nothing less than heaven on earth. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Dr. K. Valarmati, Associate Professor from Department of Biotechnology, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all for gracing this AICTE-sponsored one-week short-term training program on startup-driven bio-innovation and IoT for sustainable agri-tech from 20th September to 25th September 2021. The smallest act of kindness is worth more than the grandest intention. A big thank you to our chairman, Shri SNVL Narasimha Raju Garu, for the support and encouragement to make this function successful. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. I may like to express our sincere thanks to AICTE for sponsoring our STTP and Mr. Colonel Venkat, Director, Faculty Development Program, AICTE New Delhi, for his kind support and guidance in conducting AICTE-sponsored one-week short-term training program on startup-driven bio-innovation and IoT for sustainable agri-tech from 28th September to 25th September 2021. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our today's chief guest, Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Regional Lead at ITIT Sector Skills Council, NASCOM, at NASCOM, for gracing the occasion. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to our today's guest of honor, Dr. Praveen Kulkarni, Special Officer, VTU INEC, for gracing the occasion. I would maintain the thanks on the highest form of thought, and the gratitude is happiness double by wonder. I must mention a deep sense of appreciation to National Innovation and Startup Policy, NISP Implementation Team, Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, AICTE Headquarters, and VTU Innovation and Entrepreneurship Center, Visvesvaraya Technological University, National Research Development Corporation, NRDC, Government of India, New Delhi, Visvesvaraya Trade Promotion Center, Government of Karnataka, Center for Export Promotion, Department of Industries and Commerce, Bengaluru, Karnataka State Council for Science and Technology, Bangalore, and Bangalore Innovation Center for the kind support as knowledge partners in conducting our FTP. We cannot do great things on this earth, on these small things with great. I would like to express my hearty thanks to our principal, Dr. M. Kandan, for his constant support and encouragement. I also extend our gratitude to our director, Dr. Ravi Kumar KM. It is accompanied with such deferred satisfaction that the duty is sufficiently rewarded with the performance. Our sincere gratitude goes out to all speakers from various government organizations, industries, and entrepreneurs for their support. Once again, I want to say that we are almost grateful to all the speakers on this occasion. Gratitude makes sense of your past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. A special mention and heartfelt gratitude to our venerable Dr. B.K. Manjunatha, convener, AICTE-sponsored one-week short-term training program, STTP, on startup-driven bio-innovation and IoT for sustainable agri-tech from 20th September to 25th September, and Professor at Head, Department of Biotechnology and Dean Research at Oxford College of Engineering, for being the catalyst in conducting this STTP that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all. Our sincere gratitude goes out to all the participants from all over India for actively participating in our ACT-sponsored one-week short-term training program on startup-driven bio-innovation and IoT for sustainable agriculture from 28 to 26 September 2020. Thank you all very much for joining us for this event. I am grateful to all our management representatives, HODs, and faculties for the constant encouragement and support. An event like this cannot happen overnight. It requires a plan and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and the willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the department coordinators, teaching and non-teaching staffs for their support, involvement in organizing this event successfully. Once again, I thank everyone for making this event a grand successful. Thank you all. Participants and the guests for today, once again, I thank you all for actively participating in the one-week STTP on behalf of the management, principal, HODs, and staff and students from the Department of Biotechnology. Participants, feedback link for today is being posted on the chat box, and the link for quiz will be sent to your mail by 2 p.m. today after considering your attendance as well as the feedback forms. Thank you, one and all.